Amazing Jungle by Katacha Diaz. Amazing Jungle by Katacha Diaz. Table of Contents. What is a jungle? Page 3. The Canopy. Page 6. The Understory. Page 12. The Forest Floor. Page 16. Why is a jungle special? 22. Picture Glossary. 24. A jungle has lots of trees and other plants. From above, a jungle looks like a big green sea. What is a jungle? A jungle is a special and mysterious place. It is home to many strange and beautiful plants and animals. Come along as we explore the jungle with our eyes. Canopy, understory, forest floor. A jungle is like an apartment building with different neighbors living on each floor. Some plants and animals live on the ground floor or forest floor. Others live on the top floor high up in the trees. A jungle has layers. Different plants and animals live in each layer. The jungle, canopy, understory, forest floor. The canopy. The jungle is wet and warm year-round. It is a good place for plants to grow. Tall trees grow close together. Their leafy tops form a giant canopy, like an umbrella, over the forest floor. Plants live in the canopy because it gets lots of sunlight. Many kinds of air plants grow there. When it rains, the leaves of some air plants act as cups to trap rainwater. Then the leaves become swimming pools for frogs and salamanders. Air plants grow on the branches and trunks of trees. Many animals live in the canopy because food is easy to find there. Monkeys make their homes there. Monkeys eat the leaves, flowers, nuts, and fruits that grow high up in the trees. There is so much to eat in the treetops that some monkeys never set foot on the ground. These monkeys use their long arms and tails to swing from one tree branch to another. One of the slowest animals in the world, the sloth, also makes its home in the treetops. A sloth spends most of its time hanging upside down in a tree. It even sleeps upside down. If a sloth does come down to the ground, it cannot walk on its feet. It must move by dragging itself with its hands. That's why it's so slow. A three-toed sloth sleeps 19 hours a day. The understory. Beneath the leafy treetops of the canopy is the next layer of the jungle. This is the understory. This part of the jungle is darker than the canopy because it does not get as much sunlight, but it is still a good place for plants and animals to live. Different kinds of vines grow in the understory of the jungle. Vines grow in the understory. Vines are long green plants that grow up and around the trunks of trees. Some have stems that are as thin as a piece of string. Others have stems that are as thick as a person's arm. Snakes, bats, and owls are some of the animals that live in the understory. A boa constrictor is a large snake that spends much of its time in the trees. Boas hang from the tree branches, waiting for food to come by. They will eat any animal that fits in their mouths, including bats and birds. A boa hangs from a tree branch waiting for its next meal. Fruit bat. The forest floor. The forest floor is the bottom layer of the jungle. This part of the jungle is dark and moist and covered with fallen leaves. Only plants that need very little sunlight can grow there, but it is the perfect place for some insects to live. A walking stick is an insect that looks like a stick. See that? A walking stick is a kind of insect that lives on the forest floor. This insect is hard to see because it looks just like a twig. Walking sticks prowl the jungle at night looking for leaves to eat. Bengal tiger cubs. Large animals, such as Bengal tigers, also roam the jungle at night. These big cats have excellent vision, which helps them hunt in the dark. They are also excellent swimmers and excellent climbers. Tigers live with their mothers when they are young. They live on their own when they are grown. Pygmy hippopotamuses are jungle animals that spend most of their daytime in the shade. That's how they keep cool. They leave the shade at dusk to graze on grasses and other plants. Dusk means sunset. A pygmy hippopotamus is a strange-looking creature. It has a huge body and a small head. Why is a jungle special? A jungle is home to many strange and beautiful plants and animals. Some can't be found anywhere else on Earth. A jungle is an amazing place. Red-eyed tree frogs, toucans, parrots, hummingbirds, butterflies, and other animals live in the jungle. Picture glossary. Air plant, Bengal tiger, boa constrictor, canopy, forest floor, monkey, pygmy hippopotamus, sloth, understory, vine, walking stick. The end.